you have a downwards acceleration and an acceleration to the right, then the resultant acceleration will look something like this, with more dense being here and less dense being here. So if we then have a bottle with water and air inside, then more dense will be here and less dense will be here, and it will look like this. If, however, we have an upwards acceleration and an acceleration to the right, then the acceleration will look like this, with more dense here and less dense here. So again, with the water and air, it will look something like this. If we compare the two, a downwards acceleration and an upwards acceleration, we can see that the layering will be slightly different. So let's take a look at which angle the water is at.
And we're going to look at what happens at the points of acceleration. We ready?
If we have a force downwards and a force to the left, the resultant vector will end up like this. So when you're decelerating, you're applying a force to decelerate yourself. So if we have a downwards force and a force to the left, for example, if you are decelerating your car, you are applying a force, which is making you decelerate. You're applying a force in the opposite direction to which you were going. So now if we have a downwards force and a force to the left, the resultant acceleration will look like this, with more dense here and less dense here. With the water and the air in the bottle, more dense will be there and less dense will be there, and it'll look something like this. If, however, we have an upwards force and an acceleration to the left, the acceleration will look like this, with more dense being here and less dense being here. This is the difference between a upwards acceleration and a downwards acceleration. So let's find out what matches reality.
Decelerate.
So it looks like the upwards acceleration wins, as it's predicted the angle twice, while as the downward acceleration failed. So that shows there is no downward acceleration. Interesting. It looks like you're correct, Del. And shout out to Stone Monkey for making me go through this and helping me debunk a downwards acceleration.